YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. I'm doing a Forced Regen, and of course, you know, I got the mill light on it. This is what it says. Diagnostics, active 1 code, EC 4364, the 4364 FM 18. Gives me that all the time when it needs a regen. Alright, so I'm basically 18 minutes in, so let's see. Normally lasts like 43 minutes, 42, 43 minutes, so let's see. Stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, I'm checking back in, see what's going on. Alright, no active codes. No active codes. And that's after 28 minutes. But on the dash, I still got that ghost code right there. Alright, let's stay tuned. 40 minutes, 41 minutes in. Close. When it's about to end, the engine is gonna cut down. Here we go. That's 42 minutes. So that's it, YouTube. Still got that ghost code right here. Let's see what it says. Diagnostics, no active code. Alright, so it's good to have this device, man. It's the OTR tool, saved me thousands of dollars, man, on this after treatment system. Alright, so subscribe to the video to see how I get rid of this ghost code right here, this check engine light. Alright, stay tuned.